Okay, for the team, Pulse, Earth, and ecosystems, like for what I've said, the coverage of exam was from the very beginning till the end. Why? You have case study, no? It's an article na situations regarding sa people, earth, and ecosystem, no? It's an article, case study. Nandun po, no, yung magiging tanong, babasahin nyo po yun. Ang sagot po was essay type. Wala po kayo magiging content kung hindi nyo po naaral. Then, to align yung magiging sagot nyo dun sa mga previous lectures na natapos po natin. Kasi yung bearing po ng essay, pag ako po ang nag-check was, kung na-align nyo po ba, nasagot nyo ng tama, based from dun sa tanong and an additional was the alignment to sa mga natapos nating lecture, no? Para hindi po tayo nanguhula na pinapahaba tapos wala naman pong wawa. So for my PPE team, you have also schedule, no? So I initially talk again the treasurer kasi again meron tayong section na dalawang subject ang hawak ko sa kanila. So, yun lamang at magandang umaga.